Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Class will start in another 10 minutes. Please hold on.
Yeah, it's fine, ma'am.
మేము చెప్పడం కాదు, వేరే వాళ్ళు చెప్తున్నాం క్లాస్.
बड़ा पैड दे, इसके पीछे काट के खत्म। चक्का लाओगे तो खाने का चक्का पैड लाई कौन तू की चिमड़ू खिलाए गौले पे जाके ये लाए हम स्विंग नीचे रख डालो मिट्टी से कंप्लीट से नीचे का है पीछे की तरफ।
Good evening, everyone. Just hold on. Class will start in another 5 minutes. I request all the participants to keep yourself on mute mode. Good evening, class. Am I audible?
Yes.
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 From the class can unmute yourself and respond to me. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. I think we are not audible to you. Hello? Hello?
Okay, thank you for the response.
Yes. We can hear you.
Wonderful response to today's class. I request the speaker to unmute himself. Class, we have your Vedic mathematics expert, Mr. Maruti Ram Singh, whose major is social sciences, still into Vedic mathematics. Let us hear his journey from a social science teacher to a Vedic mathematics expert from himself. Over to you, sir. Maruti, sir.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
You are not audible?
Yes, madam. Good evening, all.
No, you are not audible, sir.
Good
Then you
evening.
were audible. Now you are not audible.
Now, madam. Good evening, all.
No, you are not audible, sir.
No, he is audible. We can hear him.
Okay, he is audible. Let me check my connection.
Audible.
Yes, he is.
Good evening, all. Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
you are,
yes,
sir. I'm
yes.
sorry. There was connection problem from my side. Sir,
Ah,
over
no,
to
no,
you,
no.
sir. All the
I
best
am
for
in-
your class.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. I am Maruti Ram Singh, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Actually, I am a social teacher, but I have very much interest in Vedic maths since childhood. I know hundreds of thousands of tables orally at the age of 14 or 15. No need to develop, no need to buy hard tables actually. Knowledge of 10 tables is enough. Nowadays, students are trying to buy hard tables and they cannot. If they have perfect knowledge of 10 tables, we can command any table, any number of tables with the help of small techniques in mathematics. Okay. I
Sir,
have
we have some questions before you start into. We wanted to understand what is Vedic mathematics all about. Can you just give us some brief introduction about Vedic mathematics?
Okay, please listen. Thank you for your question. Generally, we have so many mathematical systems in the world, just like we know abacus, Trachenberg system, Napier tables. These are all foreign origin. They belong to other countries. For example, abacus is Chinese, like that. But Vedic mathematics is Indian origin, Indian style. It is developed in India during Vedic period. We divide history in so many periods. It is used by Vedic period experts. During Vedic period, our saints or Maharshis, they used so Vedic mathematics is purely Indian system developed by Indians. Vedic maths is it was used during Vedas period, developed during that period. Any more questions?
No more question?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir,
Give
me,
introduction. We want introduction, sir.
I am Maruti Ram Singh, sir, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
I am a Vedic maths resource person.
Okay.
Vedic maths is Indian subject, sir. It was developed by Indians during Vedas period. Very
Okay.
easy, even lengthy problems can be solved sometimes without pen also. Or sometimes even if we use pen with very less time, we can save a lot of time in Vedic maths calculations. And simply today students are trying to buy hard tables. No need in Vedic mathematics actually. Knowledge of 10 tables is enough to command or to calculate a number of tables.
Sir,
For
camera
example,
కొంచెం
13
comfortable
into
position లో పెట్టరా? Sir,
13
Yes.
into 18. Student no need to buy a 13 table or 18 table. With the knowledge of 3 table or 8 table, they can answer immediately. Just by watching 13 into 18, they can tell answer is 234. This is the benefit of Vedic mathematics. Less depends on calculator or pen. multiplications, divisions, subtractions, everything very, very easy and entirely different from our regular methods.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. If participants, you have any questions
Calendar
to ask
also,
him?
ma'am. I have command on calendar calculation also. Nowadays, each and every competitive exam, they are giving one or two questions from calendar. If participants ask me their date of birth or any marriage date or their children's date of birth, within 1 or 2 seconds, I can tell them the day without just with mental calculation.
Okay. So I will request Mr. Prasad Mangipudi, who is our regular participant in our webinars, to ask some questions to make the class more interactive.
Yeah, actually, I have a little experience of teaching mathematics.
Good
Just
evening,
I would
sir.
like to, good evening, sir. Very good evening. I'm very happy to see you. I'm very interested in Vedic mathematics. But as a maths teacher, I have a question. How we see mathematics and Vedic mathematics both together?
Yes, sir. Please repeat, sir.
How we can see mathematics and Vedic mathematics? There is a difference between that actually. If we think about the mathematics, it is not only the multiplication, division and all. It includes many more things. And you are saying that multiplication is, we can do multiplication very easy.
No, sir. Everything, sir. Not only multiplication. You are right. All topics, squares, cubes, divisions. Every calculation can be calculated in Vedic mathematics. No. Just for example, I told you regarding multiplications. This is not about multiplication or not about additions. Everything, even algebra is also there in mathematics. Sir. Quadratic equations, geometry, everything is in Vedic mathematics. You are right, sir. But
And
this is
most
a little bit faster and easy to calculate.
And most of the times, I have seen many of the Vedic mathematics teachers, those who are giving orientations, they have given only on teaching multiplication or division or something.
No, sir. My system is entirely different, sir.
Okay.
Generally, we have some techniques. You are right. 101 square, 998 square. They give some number of digits and multiply with the equal number of nines. That cannot be called Vedic mathematics. Of course, you are right, sir. There are some tricks in Vedic mathematics, but entire Vedic mathematics is not at all trick. It is a valuable subject, sir. We can cover all types of calculations. Wherever student uses margin and spends a lot of time in calculation in Vedic mathematics, he can easily solve that without pen, sometimes without pen or with the help of pen within less time, very less time.
Right.
So all topics covered, sir. You are right.
I have another question.
Yes, sir.
Can I ask?
Yes, sir, please.
Right. Another thing is, regularly I'm seeing that primary standard children up to 5th standard or even 10th standard up to 10th standard, if I ask what is mean by 8 by 8, 8 into 8, they are unable to answer it actually.
Yes, sir.
What is 8 by 8 means? But we are going with multi-digit multiplication.
Yes.
So how Vedic mathematics supports the conceptual understanding of the basic content of mathematics, basic operations?
They should know minimum 10 tables, sir. But sometimes you are right. Some students are not able to answer even 8 by 8 also. In Vedic maths, we have technique to solve 8 by 8 also, sir, with the help of 2 table. 8 into 9. Listen, sir. 8 into 9. We must know 8 table or 9 table in our regular mathematics. But in Vedic mathematics, 8 and 9 both are close to 10. 8 is 2 less than 10 and 9 is 1 less than 10. If a student has knowledge 1 into 2, he can find the answer 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Without help of 8 table or 9 table, just with the knowledge of 1 and 2 table, generally we neglect 1 table. But in Vedic mathematics, 1 table is also very helpful to students. For example, 9 into 9 is 81. With the help of 1 also, we can prove 9 into 9 is 81.
Right. And the thing is, 8 by 8 is there is a meaning. What by 8 into 8 is there is a meaning for 8 into 8.
Yeah.
Students are unable to teachers. Most of the teachers, I don't say all the teachers. Most of the teachers unable to explain what is meaning of multiplication.
Yes.
And we are now in Vedic mathematics. We are going with multi-digit multiplications. But that,
Yes,
that is, if I see in the different way.
No, sir. First, my concept is they should have command on 10 tables, so they can easily calculate any number of digits or multiple number of digits. First, in primary, you should.
Okay. So
teach
let
tables,
us understand the logic of Vedic mathematics. How mathematics is made easy. So please
Shall I
go
turn
ahead,
to
sir.
paper, ma'am?
Yes.
Shall I turn to paper? Sir asked me one question,
Yes, please.
and anybody is ready to ask me calendar?
Sir,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, tell me, sir.
Give for your own example, sir, for calendar problem.
No, sir. Everyone, you tell
See,
me
I
your
will
own date
tell.
of birth or your kids' date of birth or
I
marriage
will
date.
explain. Sir, let me
Maruti, sir.
coordinate. The expertism of Maruti sir here is if you tell your year of born, he will tell you the
DDMMYY, ma'am. Date, month, and year.
date, month, and year. He will
Okay.
let you know the week of the day when you have born. So if anybody wanted to test his knowledge on this, please ask your day of the birth by giving
Right.
your date, year, month, and year.
right, sir. Maruti, sir.
Yes, sir.
My date of birth is 29th June 1982.
Tuesday, sir.
Is he right?
Sir, hello.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Slowly, sir. Slowly. I'm a little
date-
bit slow in calculation. Please, slowly tell me, sir.
My date of birth is
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Sir,
01
continue, sir.
01/06/1976.
Same answer, sir. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. My date of birth is 23rd July 1987.
Thursday, sir.
Yeah, you're right, sir.
Hello, my date of birth is also like 27/1987. So
1987 was Monday, sir.
2007/1987. So
Monday, sir. Already I told you answer, sir. That was Monday.
okay.
Sir, my date is 2/8/2006.
2/8.
2006.
That was Wednesday.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Sir,
After
sir.
getting your answer, you need to give us confirmation whether we are right.
02/06/1979.
Saturday, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, what is the trick, sir?
No, you cannot call that a trick, sir. It has 5 steps and we have to add all the 5 steps and divide by 7. We will get answer, sir.
We have big.
We have to add 5 steps, sir. There is a lengthy process
We wanted to know that answer.
that will take minimum okay, I can teach you. After learning, it takes
Okay.
3 to 4 minutes for each and every date, sir.
Okay.
Because of continuous practice and I have taught more than 2 or 3 lakhs teachers or students this technique since 20 years, sir. So I got a complete command on calendar. Hope anybody can
Thank
get
you so much, Maruti sir. Can you please tell us the calculation, like how we can learn?
Yeah, sure, definitely. And okay. Let us continue. I will teach you calendar today. No problem. And one more request to my friends, parents, and little kids, students. You can ask me on this part 20 tables up to 200 levels, sir. Open your calculators or pen and paper. 20 tables, 200 levels, sir. Take any number below
Wonderful.
20. multiply with any number below 200. Take any number below 20, multiply with any number below 200.
Sir, 198 into 19, sir.
3762, ma'am.
Is he right,
Please-
Rupa?
Please confirm me, yes or wrong or right.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
And one more request. After getting answer only ask me. Some students they ask me 17 into 163 uncle. Actually they don't know the answer. Ask me with answer. If I am wrong, you can catch me immediately.
Sir, 23 into
No sir, below 20, below 200 I said. 20 tables up to 200 levels.
Sir, 19 into 199.
3781.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It's correct.
sir 18 into 172.
18 into
18 into 172.
18 into 3096, sir.
Exactly correct, sir. Thank you.
Correct, sir.
Sir,
27 into 179.
Sir?
17 into 179.
17 into 179. 3043, sir.
The correct answer, sir.
Sir, 87 into 187.
Sir, please listen to my question, sir. Already I requested you. 20 tables up to 200 levels.
Okay. Sir, 17 into 179, I asked, I didn't get the answer.
16569, sir. Your answer. 187 into 87. 16269. 87 into 187, some friend asked me. 16269.
Yes, you are right, sir.
But I
Sir.
requested to ask me 20 tables up to 200 levels. Am I right, sir? 87 into 187?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. You
one-
are right, sir.
you are right.
1669.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes,
you are
sir.
right.
sir, 19 into 77, sir.
Sir? 19
19
into
into 77.
1463.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So 14 multiplied by 199.
Yes, 14, 199.
Yes.
2786.
Yes, sir. It is right. Thank you, sir.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Sir.
19 into 129.
19 into 129, 2451.
It's right, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we going to learn anything or are we going to test you?
No. Yes, sir.
Are we going to learn something from you or we are going to test you only?
Sir, definitely
No.
everyone are going to learn something. Have some patience in the learning sessions. He's
Let
trying
us-
to develop
before-
the curiosity. One second, Bharati, sir, I'll answer. I've got this
Okay, ma'am.
message in the
Understood,
chat
ma'am.
box also.
Before learning, you must test me, sir.
Okay, sure.
Without testing out, you must test me,
very
sir.
fast.
It is my luck, sir, to be tested by you.
No, surely.
Sir, 3 digit
Afternoon,
also.
sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
3 digit also.
One promise, sir. Just 10 tables. If you hand me 10 tables, a student with 10 tables and 10 years or more age, within a couple of days, I will make them to command 100 by 100, sir. Not 8 by 8 or 9 by 9. If you ask them 32 into 63, they can able to answer you 2016 within a couple of days. Just knowledge of 10 tables is my investment, sir.
I request the participants to keep
Exact
yourself
knowledge of 10 tables is my investment, sir. Even I am using 10 tables only, but because of continuous practice, I am able to tell you answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, rather than these basic operations, can you explain how we can use in that factorization, differential calculus, and then partial fractions, integration, differentiation? There we can use
No,
Vedic
no,
math,
ma'am.
right?
I already, madam, introduced you as a social teacher. I am a social teacher. I deal only calculation part. That can be dealt by real mathematicians, maths teachers. I deal only calculation part, ma'am. I am
That is
extremely
giving only
sorry.
that basic calculations, right?
Yes, calculation part only, basic
Okay.
calculation part. Not
Okay,
deep into topics, because I am not at all a mathematician.
Because before we heard, no, we can use like for differentiation, integration, we can use basic mathematics. That we need now. As math
Oh,
teachers,
no.
we need that.
I don't deal integrations and other topics, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Even multiplication also, ma'am. No need to borrow in Vedic mathematics. Generally, students feel harder at what we call borrowing subtractions. In Vedic maths, no need of borrowing. No need of length. 17 minus 9, 18 minus 9, like that. No need to subtract such numbers, sir.
Sir, Maruti, sir.
We don't use more than 10 at all in subtractions also. See, for example, I am turning towards paper. Generally, we subtract from this side, sir, right to left. But in Vedic mathematics, we subtract from this side, sir, left to right. Generally, here 8 minus 9 is not possible. We borrow 1 and subtract 18 minus 9. But in Vedic mathematics, no need to use more than 10, sir. We can simply calculate. Generally, students, they feel very difficult to calculate this type of subtractions. But in Vedic mathematics, they feel very easy to subtract this type of subtractions.
Sir, can you tell us how? Can you tell us how?
Yes, ma'am. Before teaching this, I must explain you the difference of, first we have to learn 3 basic concepts. Match, mismatch, complements. We have to learn 3 concepts. Match, mismatch, and complements. The topic name is subtractions without borrowing. Subtractions without borrowing. Before learning this, we have to understand 3 major concepts: match, mismatch, and complements. What is meant by match? Listen, please listen carefully. Match means possible subtractions. For example, 6 minus 2. Don't tell me answer. It is a match combination because it is possible. 6 minus 2, possible. We can subtract. We can open 6 fingers and close 2 fingers. What is mismatch? 2 minus 5. It is mismatch. We can open 2 fingers but cannot close 5 fingers. Of course, high school students, they will tell you answer minus 3. But primary students, they cannot subtract. Next, so many examples are there. 7 minus 0, match. 0 minus 3, mismatch. 5 minus 5, match. 5 minus 6, mismatch. 0 minus 0, match. 0 minus 3, 0 minus 4, or 0 minus 5. So you can understand the difference between a match combination and mismatch combination. See the above problem, except 3 minus 1, all are mismatch combinations. Generally, we go for borrowing at mismatch combinations. But in Vedic mathematics, we don't go for borrowing. In place of borrowing, we use complements. Complements. I have 1. What is to be taken to fill, to make it 10? 9. So 1 complement is 9. I have 9. If I want to make 10, how much should I take from you? 1. Same, 8 complement is 2. 2 complement is 8. Complement means to fill. I have 8 with me, I need 10. So how much I need? I need 2 to make 10. Next, 7 complement is 3. 3 complement is 7. 6 complement is 4. 4 complement is 6. 5 complement is 5. If you are perfect in these 3 concepts, you can simply subtract without borrowing. If children are there to write, please note down some examples. You can take so many examples for match, mismatch, and complements are these combinations. If subtraction is possible, we can call it match combination. If a subtraction is not possible or getting negative answers, we call it mismatch. Complements very easy. If you want to know any complement, open 10 fingers and close the number you want. For example, if I want a complement of 7, open 10 fingers and close 7. We will get complement of 7, 3. Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you write it?
Yes.
Shall
by
I go
now-
for examples?
Yes, please. So by now they would have done it.
So just we have to make students to practice these 3 concepts. I request primary maths teachers, if you want to teach this concept, spare some time for the practice of these 3 concepts. You can mix and ask them. 7 minus 2 match, 5 minus 1 match, 1 minus 2 mismatch, 3 minus 4 mismatch, 9 minus 8 match, 7 minus 1 match, 1 minus 2 mismatch. Like that we have to, just like a game, we have to ask them and get answers. By watching the sum, they should have knowledge of match and mismatch. Then only they can answer. And complements also, we have to make them practice. 9 complement 1, reverse, 1 complement 9, 8 complement 2, 2 complement 7 complement 3, 3 complement 7, like that. Okay, now, the major concept in this multiplication is next what or what next. In Telugu, we call next enti. And the direction also changes left to right. We follow this direction and always ask this question, what next? What next? We have 2 answers. If next one is a match, in subtraction we have only 2 things, either match or mismatch. If next one is match, we put the same answer. If next one is mismatch, we subtract 1, minus 1. Please note this. Left to right, what next? If next one is match, we put same answer. If next one is mismatch, we subtract 1, minus 1. By watching examples, you can easily understand.
If you have any queries, you can use the chat box to drop your questions or queries. I'm here to
No,
moderate.
ma'am. Just let me explain some examples. After that, they can raise doubts.
Okay, thank you.
See,
sir.
for example, 49 minus 23. We always start on left side. 4 minus 2, answer is 2. Before putting your answer, just observe what next. We must observe what is next, whether it is match or mismatch. 4 minus 2 is 2, but before answering 4 minus 2, we should observe what is next combination, match or mismatch. 9 minus 3 is match combination. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here we don't have any next combination. So 9 minus 3 is final. Next example. 75 minus 25. We start from left side. 7 minus 2 is 5. Before writing 5, observe what is there on next side. Match or mismatch. 5 minus 5 is match. So we can directly write answer. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now observe very carefully this example. 7 minus 3 is 4. We know that. But before writing 4, just observe what next. Whether it is match or mismatch. 2 minus 8 is exactly mismatch. So we cannot write answer 4 here. Actually 7 minus 3 is 4. But next one is mismatch. This is a mismatch. So we cannot write 4 directly. Reduce by 1. 4 minus 1, 3. Now, come to 2 minus 8. Previously, we used to borrow at this problem. Now, no need to borrow. 2 minus 8. No need to borrow. Now, take the complement of 8. What is the complement of 8?
2.
Please tell me what is the complement of 8?
2.
2, sir. 2.
2. 2 plus 2?
4.
Just add the complement of big number to small number. 2 plus 2 is 4. One more example. Am I audible to you?
Yeah.
See, 9 minus 2 is actually 7. But the next one is mismatch. 9 minus 2 is 7. We know that. But the next one is a mismatch. So we cannot write 7 directly. Already I told you, if next one is mismatch, minus 1 is the solution. Now, 3 minus 7 is not at all possible. Then go for complement. When there is a impossible subtraction, please go to complements. What is complement of 7?
3.
3. 3 plus 3.
6.
Please note down these 4 examples. Let us go for some more examples. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
Madam, shall I turn the page?
Yes, please, sir. They said yes.
Madam, sound రావట్లేదు very.
No, we are able to hear everything, sir. From our side, it is clear. We have a tiny tot also in the class. She has logged in from an ID Haribabu. May we know your name, child?
Ragamayi Gayatri.
Ragamayi Gayatri. Thank you for joining us, Ragamayi. I request all
Can I
the
turn the
participants.
page?
Yes, you can, sir. I request all the participants to drop your name.
Madam, అసలు వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు.
Sir, you can turn the page, sir.
Rupa, is my voice low?
No, ma'am,
No,
it's
it's very
audible.
clear.
Okay, thank you. I request all the participants to mention your name and the organization name where you're working, or you're an owner of any school, or you're a school leader of the school, your contact number and your email ID, so that we can notify you further webinars directly.
Yes.
Tomorrow we are going to have one more webinar. on NLP in school education, neuro-linguistic program influences in school
Yes.
education.
Please watch, all of you. Let us start here. 7 minus 2, 5. Please ask the question, what next? Next means 6 minus 2. Whether it is, this answer depends on this combination. This answer depends on this combination. This answer depends on this combination. This answer depends on this combination, and final answer we can put directly. Watch, just for your understanding, I put these circles. 7 minus 2 is 5. What next? 6 minus 2 is match. So we can directly put answer 5. 6 minus 2, answer is 4. What next? Next one is mismatch. So we cannot write 4 directly. If next one is mismatch, -1 from the answer. Now, 8 minus 9, it is not at all possible. Then go for complement. 9 complement 1. 1 plus 8, 9. Before putting answer 9, observe what next. Next one is match. No problem. If next one is match, we can directly write the answer. Now come to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Before putting answer, just observe what next. Next one is mismatch. If next one is mismatch, we have to subtract the answer by 1. Answer -1.
0.
Now come to 5 minus 9. Not at all possible. If it is not possible, go for complements, please. 9 complement is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Please note the answer.
Please write your details privately to me, not to everyone. There is an option to select private and to everyone.
Completed, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
మేడం అసలు వినిపించట్లేదు వాయిస్ ఎవరిది
No, we are able to hear. Please check
కట్
your
చేసి మళ్ళీ
volume.
కనెక్ట్ అవ్వమంటారా?
Yes.
ఫోన్ అయితే
Okay. Meanwhile, may I ask the participants your expectations on this Vedic mathematics class?
Madam, good madam. Really awesome.
No, wait, Rupa, I wanted to know the expectations from the participants. What are you expecting from today's class? He is here to tell us some, shortcuts on the concepts what he is talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, Rupa. Let other participants also talk.
If he go with roots and square roots, like how to teach them, that will be good, ma'am.
Okay. As he said, he is with some basic mathematics.
Yeah.
I will definitely arrange one expert mathematics with the help of him so that he can reach to that content. Okay.
Madam, did you understand the concept of subtraction?
Yes, sir. ఒక్క
Yes,
నిమిషము.
yes, sir, yes.
Sir, ఒక్క నిమిషము. మనము ఇంకా వీళ్ళ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఏంటో అడుగుతున్నాం. ఒక 1 minute టైం నాకు ఇవ్వండి. And next, I think Jayesh was trying to speak something.
Hello, madam.
Yes, Mr. Jayesh.
Hello, madam.
May I know who is speaking, sir?
Sumant, madam.
Sumant garu చెప్పండి, please.
Madam, arrange the program, this program daily, madam, or
No, we have every weekend we have webinars, sir. In between
Okay.
the weeks also, as per the availability of the resource persons, we arrange webinars. And these webinars are happening from the past 2 months.
okay, madam.
Please watch our Facebook space for more information about further webinars. Sir, what are your expectations? I request the participants to please speak on your expectations from today's program.
Madam, it is easily to understand.
Okay, what are your expectations? Meaning takeaways. What are you expecting to learn from today's session?
Ma'am, the shortcut methods, within no time we are able to calculate. So this is what our expectation is, and for our student also, so that they can do the calculations very easily within no time.
Wonderful, wonderful. All the shortcuts we may not teach you in 1 hour, sir. Stay connected with us. I'm CMD for Mamta Outsourcing Consultancy Services. We will frequently organize 1-week courses where you will be taught all the tricks and techniques. May I know who raised this point?
Ma'am, myself Jayesh Baraya.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Jayesh.
And dear
Madam,
participants,
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, to teach the place values to small kids of grade 2.
Okay.
Is there any special method in Vedic maths?
Sir, the question is place values can be taught in this class or you need some more time?
yes, ma'am.
Taught or
Is
you
it-
need some more time?
Today,
Yes.
It can be later also. I'm just asking, is there any special way to teach this place values for grade 2?
grade 2 knowledge of tables, ma'am. Knowledge of tables. If he knows or if she knows 10 tables, we can we can teach at the age of 5 also. Here matter is a knowledge of 10 tables. If they are perfect in 10 tables, we can build further content.
Sir, I'm talking about place values, unit place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place.
Yeah.
To put this into the brain of the small kids of second standard, we find
Okay,
it really
ma'am,
difficult.
please drop the same thing in the chat box.
Okay, thank you.
We'll have it for further reference.
And you are requested to watch this channel, all the participants. I have one channel, separate channel in YouTube. My channel name is Vedic Maths Maruti. Please watch and subscribe.
Thank you, sir.
This is my, shall I start any other topic, ma'am? Calendar?
Sir, first trick we are very curious to, learn. The moment we say our date of month, year, you have told us the day. How could you make it possible and what is the technique of it?
Yes, yes. For that, we have to learn three types of codes, ma'am. Month codes. Already I told you we have to sum up five items. The combined total of 5 items must be divided by 7, and the remainder will give you answer. What is the day? For that, we have to learn 3 types of codes: month codes, century codes, weekly codes. First, put the heading calendar. Most of you use the calendar spelling CALENDER, but actual spelling is CALENDAR. Calendar. Please put the heading month codes. Please write names of the months. I will teach you codes. Please write January to December. See, we have 2 types of years, normal and leap. January and February is called sensitive months. January normal month code is 01, leap year code is 00. February normal year code is 04, leap year code is 03. Please note down. For these 2 months only we have normal and leap difference. For remaining months we have only 1 code for normal and leap. January and February, they are special months. We have double quotes. Normal year one code and a leap year other code.
Sir, if you don't mind, will you explain once again, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Right. Month codes heading. I am teaching now the topic calendar.
Okay.
For
sir.
that, we have to learn month codes.
Huh.
So write names of the months from Jan to December.
Yes, sir.
What I am telling is January and February, we have double quotes. For a normal year, I wrote N. N means normal year. L means leap year. For normal January, code is 01. Leap January, code is 00. For normal February, code is 04. For leap February, code is 03. Understood, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. From March onwards, only one code for normal and leap. So just that's why I'm writing in center. March code is 04, both for normal and leap. April code is 00. May code is 02. June code is 05. First complete this side, I will go for that side. Please note the 12 codes. For January and February only, we have double codes. Normal year and a leap year.
Ma'am, we
Remaining-
cannot see properly what is written. On the July side, what is written, if sir can repeat it, it will be easy for us, ma'am.
July, it is 00, ma'am. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No, for us,
Just ask him to read it out.
July.
Madam, will you please go to speaker view rather than gallery view? Might be able to see.
He's already in speaker.
Change your view.
So he's in speaker view only. Okay, you're talking. I'm sorry, I got you. For others, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you may continue, sir. So please continue.
First ask them to note, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, we are writing along with you.
Okay. Shall I turn the page? If anyone is there. Next, century code. Next heading is century codes. Now, just some of us born in previous century and some of the learners may born after 2000. So we have to learn both the codes. 1900 to 1999. This century code is 00. And the century running now 2000 to 2099. Century code is 06. Please note down. 1900 to 1999. Those 100 years century code is 00. And the century running now from 2000 onwards, its century code is 06 up to 2099. Yes. Now, please put the heading weekly codes. Weekly codes. This is the remainder when we divided by 7. I said we must get a total of 5 items. After getting grand total, we should divide it by 7 and the remainder will give us answer. If the remainder is 1, answer is Sunday. If the remainder is 2, answer is Monday. 3 Tuesday. 4 Wednesday. 5 Thursday. 6 Friday. 0 Saturday.
Sir, can you come again and again understand?
Yes, sir.
Can you come again and understand, sir?
So he's requesting to repeat, sir.
Sir, madam, please repeat what sir is saying.
Sir, he's రిక్వెస్టింగ్ టు రిపీట్ ఇట్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పమంటున్నారు.
Sunday code 1, Monday code 2, Tuesday code 3. This we will, with the help of example, I will explain, sir. Just please note down the codes first. Let us go into the procedure. Completed, ma'am? Weekly codes?
If you get stuck in between, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask us in the chat box. I am here to communicate the same thing with the resource person.
Yes, now let us start calculation part. Please try to memorize the month codes. Please try to memorize month codes. Without memorizing month codes, it is not possible to calculate a day for a date. Okay. First, please, participants, tell me any date. With the help of your date, I will calculate. I will teach you how to calculate. Tell me any date once again.
It's 20th October 1988.
20 October, Friday,
Yeah.
ma'am. 88, that was Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday is correct.
Yes, let me write 20 October.
20 October 1988.
Answer is Thursday.
Correct.
Yes, now let us start.
Yeah.
Please watch, sir, all of you. First thing is JF test. This is very important before starting answer. JF test. That means, is there January or February in the given date? Why? Because January and February are sensitive months. They have two codes. If it is leap year, we have to use one code. If it is a normal year, we have to use one code. That's why first check JF test before going to answer that day. First JF test. If is there January or February in the given date? It is not at all. 20 October 1988. So leave it. If it is January or February, be alert. If it is not January or February, leave it. Okay, relax. This is very normal problem. If it is January and February, what to do, I will explain with the next example. So this is a very normal problem. First step is last 2 digits of the year. Note down. You can write also. If you want to remember, you can write also. Very first step is last 2 digits of the year. Last 2 digits of the year. Very first step. Second step is leap step. Second step is leap step. We have leap in every 4 years. So these 2 digits divided by 4, we need quotient part. Divide these 2 digits by 4. That is the second step. First take last 2 digits of the year. In second step, divide those 2 digits by 4. 22 times. 22, 0 is the remainder. This is leap year, but no worry. If it is January or February, we have to consider leap year or normal year. For remaining months, leap year or normal year, no need to worry. So take quotient. First step is last 2 digits of the year. Second step is divide these 2 digits by 4 and take the quotient. Third step is century code. Already I gave you previous century code, that is 00. Step 4, month code. This date belongs to October. As per my given data, October code is 01. And final step is date. What is the date? 20. Once again, I am explaining. Please watch carefully. Very first step is last 2 digits of the year. Take last 2 digits. Second step, last 2 digits divided by 4. We need quotient. We need quotient. If you take 76, divide 76 by 4. If you take 89, divide 89 by 4. If you take 16, divide 16 by 4. Here we need only quotient. So take quotient. Third step is century code. Fourth step is month code. Last and final is date. Now take the combined total of all these 5 items. $131 is the grand total. Now divide the total by 7. You can neglect quotient here. Here we need only remainder we need. 18 sevens are 126. What is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. Just go to weekly quotes chart. If it is 1, we get Sunday. 2, we get Monday. 3, Tuesday. 4, Wednesday. 5, Thursday. See, we got answer 5. Answer is Thursday. This is the complete procedure to get a day for a date. Please note down step 1, last 2 digits, write in just like sentences. First step, last 2 digits of the year. Second step, last 2 digits divided by 4, quotient. Step 3, century code. Step 4, month code. Step 5, date.
Ram Singh sir, there is a request after explanation. They wanted you to show all the pages once again.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Ma'am, is any of them born in January or February? Please tell me date of birth. Only January and February. Those born in January and February.
Sir, 0701 1980. 1989.
07
011989.
89.
Yes, sir.
Answer is Saturday.
Yes, sir. Correct.
1999.
Yes, ma'am. Just previously one date is given to me. Let us see that. 0701
1989.
Answer is Saturday, ma'am.
Yes. So 89, then 89 divided by 4.
Just let me. Ma'am, screen మీద లీవ్ మీటింగ్ అని వస్తుంది.
ఏమొస్తుంది సార్?
స్క్రీన్ లీవ్ మీటింగ్ అని వస్తుంది.
క్యూ మీటింగ్.
ఓకే ఓకే పోయిందండి. ఓకే, వెరీ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, ఫస్ట్ JF test. Already I told you JF test is compulsory. Here we have January, so keep a little bit careful because the date is January or February. Put your right near JF and be careful while doing this answer. Previously that was not January, so relax. But because this is January or February, we should be little bit careful. Very first step, last 2 digits of the year. Second step, last 2 digits divided by 4. We got remainder. This is normal year. If the remainder is 0, that is leap year. If the remainder is 1 or 2 or 3, that is a normal year. Take 22, quotient. Step 3, century code, same century, 00. Step 4, month code. For January, I gave you 2 codes, normal code and leap code. Here we have to use normal code because this is a normal year. Please observe the difference, ma'am.
Yes.
If it is a leap year, we get remainder 0. Then we use month code 00. But here in this example, this is a normal year. 1989 is a normal year. So we use normal month code 01. And last and final date. So take the complete total 119 divided by 7. 17 sevens are 119. Remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0,
Saturday.
Answer is Saturday as per my given record.
Yes.
Please note down. See, all this I am doing within 1 or 2 seconds. Please note down, participants. Just by listening, I am doing all this process within mind. Okay, ma'am, shall I repeat the pages?
Yes, sir.
You said now just
And there is one more date mentioned here in the chat box privately.
Yes.
25/12/2001. It is from
Tuesday.
Annamma Matthew, ma'am.
That was Tuesday.
Okay.
25/12/2001 was Tuesday. Am I right?
She is not there.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes.
25 to 2001.
25 to
2001.
that was Sunday.
Yeah, thank you. It's correct.
Can I ask?
Hello,
ma'am.
how you are able to do so quickly? I just need to ask that.
No, ma'am. Continuous practice, ma'am. I have taught lakhs of teachers and students. Lakhs, not thousands or hundreds.
No, that I understood, but everything you are doing, all this process which you are teaching us.
At the time of listening only, I do all these calculations, ma'am, because of knowledge of tables, no need to divide, no need to multiply, no need to add. All these things are just like mechanical for me.
Okay, can you please show once more? Once more.
Yes. Ma'am. Madam?
Annamma, ma'am, all your messages are going privately. Please change the mode to everyone. Sir, Annamma Matthew, ma'am, has written compliments to you.
Yes. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
14/9/1984.
Friday.
Yeah, right, correct.
So as sir said, it is not a day job. You can apply this techniques, tricks or shortcuts, whatever the technically they are called.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I repeat the pages?
Yes, please, sir.
What is their demand? I have to repeat right from the beginning.
No, sir,
No,
calendar.
not from the beginning, sir. From the calendar.
This is a match and mismatch page regarding subtractions.
This we have understood, sir.
This is example next what or what next, left to right.
Yes.
All those we understood, sir. Only thing we need practice.
Yes.
I think
And participants, don't forget to subscribe and watch my channel,
yes,
Vedic Maths Maruti.
they will definitely. I will also drop your YouTube channel name to them.
I have total 32 videos and television interviews in this channel. Okay, this is calendar codes. If anyone miss it to note down, please note down now. Calendar. These are month codes and this is a century code. And this is about weekly codes. And these are examples.
Okay, sir, there is a question from Anju Sunil. May I know
Yes.
how multiply 3 digit by 2 digit? I missed that part.
That cannot be explained now, ma'am. That will take more time. And in the course, if they want to learn, in the course material, we will teach them how to.
Right.
This is not possible to explain right now.
Okay.
First, we have to start with a single digit multiplication, double digit, 2 digit into 2 digit. Gradually, we will increase to that level.
So those who are
Anything,
interested,
ma'am?
1 second, sir. Those who are interested to learn Vedic mathematics, I request you to drop your contact details and email ID so that we can, get back to you. Sir, నేను డీటెయిల్స్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని మీతో కోఆర్డినేట్ చేస్తాను మార్తి.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, all of you. Thank you.
So 1 second, are we done? We may have Q&A here. 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
we are not yet done. We may have Q&A here. If anyone
Yeah.
have questions, they will ask.
Ask them to tell their opinion on this session.
Sir, ఈ రోజు మనము in this 1 hour of time we could teach them only one technique.
Yes. No, ma'am. 2 techniques, subtractions and calendar.
Okay, I'm sorry, 2 techniques. So further, if anyone has doubts or you wanted to talk anything, please raise your hand.
Srikala, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, is it audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, may I know who is?
Yeah, ma'am. Very glad to see you, ma'am. This is Prasanna from Sri Lakshmi School, Karnool, ma'am.
Hi.
Do you remember me, ma'am?
Yes. Prasanna, you have any questions for this?
Very
I think
happy to see you, ma'am.
Thank you. Same here. I think you are a mathematics teacher for Bhargav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So Prasanna,
Thank you so much to see you, ma'am. Very glad.
Same here. I am not able to see you, but I'm able to hear you. Thank you for joining us. You have any questions to Mr. Maruti?
Very nice class.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Any questions? Or you have anything
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
share?
Shrikala, ma'am, one question.
Sunita, yes,
actually.
Sunita, good evening.
So, if at all, if we are interested, like to join the course, like who will be like?
We will get back to you.
Should
Drop
I-
your interest. Drop your interest in the chat box if you wanted to have a week-long course. We
Okay.
will get back to you.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So it will be like week-long course.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
For that, I request all the participants to drop your contact numbers and email ID so that we can get back to you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Srihari sir, definitely we will coordinate with you. May I know where are the participants from? I could see participants from UAE also today. May I request the friends from UAE to unmute themselves and talk?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Anima Matthew from Ras Al Khaimah. In my department, from my department, there are 3-4 teachers who have joined. Nilesh sir, Jayalakshmi, Maheshwari.
Hi, Mr. Nilesh. Hi, Jayashree. Thank you for joining us. Hope this session would have given you some information about Vedic mathematics. This is just an introductory class.
But one thing, ma'am, once again, I promise them, if they have, if their kids have 10 years and 10 tables knowledge, let us make them to command 100 by 100. 96 into 32, 3072, 84 into 21, 178, 1764, like that, they can tell without pen and paper within days, not months or weeks. I will make them, definitely. I have not confidence on me, I have confidence on my subject.
Excellent.
Sir, you will be doing it online?
Yes, he will. Okay.
That course.
Since
If
the
at all
count was very high, I could not introduce our organization to everybody in the beginning of the session. Myself, Shrikala Bhargavi. I'm a double postgraduate with Masters in Education and a Cambridge trainer. I have started this consultancy with great passion to bring in some positive changes in the school education. In this practice, we are organizing a good number of webinars and online workshops for the teachers. We do offer week-long courses. Very recently, we have conducted Becoming a Parenting Coach week-long course. And the second course we have conducted on Skyrocket Your Teaching Career, Enriching Your Communication Skills. Because communication skills are very, very important. Soft skills are very, very important for every teacher. Earlier, communication skills or soft skills were treated as separate subject or entity. Now, every teacher should understand the importance of soft skills, endorsing soft skills to their teaching subject. So these are the 2 certified courses we were offering, and we are very shortly going to start a week-long course on Vedic mathematics. Details will be given to you very soon. Those who are interested, I request the participants to drop your contact details so that we can get back to you. We also are organization by name Mamata Outsourcing Consultancy Services, which we operate from Hyderabad, Pan India. We have schools with state board curriculum associated with us, CBSE curriculum associated with us, Cambridge curriculum associated with us, and IB curriculum associated with us. We are into end-to-end operations of school education. We facilitate teacher trainings, both offline and both physical and virtual. We organize parent orientations. We are into academic auditing. We are into school buying and selling, consultation, whatnot. We are into digital marketing. We are into social media marketing. We are into every vertical of school education. If any of you are interested to avail our services, you can contact us on 9640 697 117. 9640 697 117, or you can Google for us by name Mamata Outsourcing Consultancy Services. Very soon we are going to start a week-long course on Vedic mathematics, where participants can be teachers, students, school leaders, or parents. Am I right, sir? Maruti, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody can join. And there is no rule, as we have learned today, that any subject teacher can learn Vedic mathematics, basic Vedic mathematics. I'm not talking about the deep-rooted subject of mathematics connection to Vedic mathematics. Basic Vedic mathematics, irrespective of your subject, you can have command and excellence on. So thank you, Maruti sir, for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
If anybody wanted to talk anything related to Vedic mathematics or related to our services, you can stay back and keep shouting your questions here in the chat box or directly.
Okay, watch videos and you directly send your comments also, ma'am.
Definitely, they will do that, sir.
Okay.
I will facilitate you with the all contact details.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, all.
Thank you for joining us, sir. Good evening.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
So may we have an introduction before exiting this class? We have some known faces here. Sunita. Sir, మీరు quit కావచ్చు, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
And we have Mr. Prasad from Azim Premji Foundation, Karnataka. We have Sunita from SIP Academy, Chittoor. Tomorrow we are going to have another class, another webinar on influences of NLP in teaching and learning, NLP in school education. If you are interested, that information and the Zoominar link will be shared on our Facebook page. You can find our Facebook page.
Srikala ma'am.
Srikala Mamilapalli. Yes, please.
Srikala ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for the info.
And thank you very much, sir. Sir has left, I think so. I'm from UAE, Jayalakshmi Radish.
Hi, Jayalakshmi.
Just Annama ma'am spoke. And I am also from Khammam.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah.
Thank
Working
you for
here from
joining
6
us.
years here.
What is
Okay.
the condition of UAE there now?
It's normal, ma'am. Cases are going on, but we are maintaining our social distancing and we are staying safe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So are classes going on? Online
Yes,
classes?
ma'am. Today, this week is the last week for us, and we are going to get holidays.
Oh,
Summer vacation.
happy vacation.
చాలా బాగుంది మ్యామ్.
Advance.
సార్తో చెప్పండి ప్రత్యేకంగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ
Sure,
వెరీ మచ్.
definitely. Thank you.
ఓకేనండి. బాయ్.
And we have here one more new face, Sweta Roy.
Good evening to all. Ma'am, I work in Addis Abu Dhabi Indian School, Al Watha, that is the branch 1 school, as a maths teacher over there.
Thank you. How did you like the class, Sweta?
Ma'am, it is awesome.
Thank you.
I couldn't see that July to December, so it is irritating me.
No problem. Anyways, contact me on 9640697117.
Yeah, I had copied down your number, ma'am. I'll just keep in touch with you.
I'm on WhatsApp,
Thank you, ma'am.
available on WhatsApp on that number. Please drop me your email ID. You will be given recording of the same. I don't want to announce that we are going to give you the recording. The moment we say we are giving you
Nobody
the recording,
copies down. Nobody studies.
yes.
No, thank you so
This
much. I had
recording
dropped my
will kill
email.
the curiosity of learning.
Yes,
That's my
ma'am.
worry.
I love that. I when sir was doing the maths, just in the introduction, I was trying myself.
Thank
It
you.
is really nice. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity.
Our pleasure.
Thank
And
you.
we have a tiny tot here.
I had given, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You can please unmute yourself and introduce to the class before you leave. We have Jayanti GP and we have Jayashree, we have Aisha, Arzu, Jalali, we have Binay Paul, we have Chitra Devi, we have Srinivas, we have Prasanna, we have Bhavin Banu, we have Mr. Patel. We have a tiny tot here. I request you to unmute yourself and introduce you to the whole team.
Arifa Sultan.
Yes, please. We have Anju Sunil, Sukanya, Manjula, Subanya, Padma Priya, Meena. Meena is our known contact.
Madam
We
Srinivas here.
Yes, sir.
I'm from Bangalore.
Hello, Srinivas, sir. How did you get to know about our webinar today?
Yeah, it's about Dasari Meena has shared the link.
That's
So she has been sharing a couple of times, but is not able to connect on this.
Was that a Facebook platform, sir?
Yeah, I'll subscribe that as well, ma'am. Thank you, Meena, as well. Thank you so much, Shrikala, madam. She used to speak a lot about you. And today I'm actually I can say averse of maths. So I was a non-math student as well, but by looking at this, like it's very interesting and very curious about it. So yeah, please
The
do
beauty of
share.
mathematics. Sure, sir.
So,
Watch our Facebook space, sir. Shrikala Mamilapalli. I'm writing here.
yeah, I do, ma'am. Thank you so much. Looking forward for more, maybe in the
Sure.
future.
Tomorrow evening at the same time, we have one more session. Do join it.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm dropping here my Facebook ID. Next participant, please. Will you please introduce yourself to the team? Okay, Mahalakshmi Ravi. We have N. Sukanya. We have Meena Mani. Will you please introduce yourself to the class before you leave?
Good evening, ma'am. I am Meena, ma'am. Actually, now only I joined in this, ma'am. I was trying a lot of time, but
Okay.
I
Today's
can't
count
able
was
to.
very high, Meena. It was almost 70, in between 70 to 80. We were
Okay,
so
ma'am.
sorry that you have missed the session, but please do join tomorrow's session.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Tomorrow's
Tomorrow
session
I'll
is
join.
on Neuro Linguistic program in school education.
Okay, ma'am.
Understanding the brain, understanding the brain and cognitivity of the children, and
Okay.
and facilitate the content to them. This will
Okay, ma'am.
really help
Sure.
the teachers and school leaders in teaching and learning practices of the school.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure,
thank
tomorrow
you.
I'll join, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, next participants, please. Sesireka. It's fine if you are hesitating to introduce yourself, you can quit the class. I'll be the last person to leave the class. Thank you, Mr. Prasad from Azim Premji Foundation for joining us and opening the class today. Prasad, hope you have enjoyed the class.
Definitely, it is very interesting for me actually. Uh, mm, it is a part of mathematics. It's really interesting topic, and I would like to continue that particular session if possible.
Sure, sure. Next, we have here Sesireka Shweta Roy. Thank you for joining, Mr. Prasad. Thank you, Meena. Thank you, Rupa. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shweta, good night. We have Mahalakshmi, Ravi here. Good night. See you all in tomorrow's class. See you all in tomorrow's class. Thank you for joining us.
Nikala, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good night, madam.
Good night, Rupa. Thank you for joining. You're a lifelong learner. Good to see
Yes,
you
ma'am.
in
Sure.
all the classes.
Sure, I'll be, ma'am. I'm a learner. I'll feel.
Okay, we have here Reggie Abi Bahas. May we have your introduction? And we have Mahalakshmi Ravi. Okay. Okay, thank you all. Good night. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you in tomorrow's session. I'm ending the meeting. Thank you.